Here's how to fix an Ethernet connection that's not working in Windows 11. First, go to the search bar at the bottom and type in Network Connections. Click it when it shows up. Find your Ethernet adapter, right-click it, and hit Disable. Wait a few seconds, then right-click it again and click Enable. If it was already disabled, just enable it right away. That alone might fix the issue. If it didn't work, right-click Ethernet again and go to Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties at the bottom. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Do the same for DNS by setting it to Obtain DNS server address automatically. Click OK, then close, and test the connection. If it's still not working, go back to Properties for Internet Protocol version 4. This time, try using a Manual DNS. Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 4 times 1 and then below 1, 0, 0, 1. Click OK, then close, and see if that does the trick. If nothing changes, open Settings from the Start menu. Go to Network and Internet. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Scroll again and look for Network Reset under More Settings. Click Reset now. That'll remove and reinstall all your network adapters. Once it's done, restart your PC and test the Ethernet again. If you're still having issues, check your Ethernet cable since it might just be faulty. Swap it out with another one and see if that fixes it.